Hello everyone and welcome to another EB short. Today it's a bit of a listening practice with a recipe. So I would like to share with you a really popular Greek recipe for, let's call it a dip or a sauce called tzatziki. Now, tzatziki originally came from Turkey, and in Turkey it's a bit different. It's more like a soup or a very runny snack. But in my country, it's used as a dip or sauce inside sandwiches, inside kebabs. You can use it as a dip for potato chips, for French fries, for bread, for pita bread. Take a look at the recipe for pita bread too. It's really healthy, and it's really useful to have in the house. So, how do we make tzatziki? What do we need? First, you need 1 pack of Greek yogurt, Greek style yogurt. Now, Greek yogurt is strained yogurt. The water has come out, so it's very thick, it's very rich. So you need that yogurt. So for about let's say 400 grams box of Greek yogurt, you would put inside about 2 or 3 big spoons of olive oil inside. A pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. You would also put grated garlic, grated cucumber. Don't keep all the juice, you can squeeze the juice out. You can have it as a drink with a smoothie maybe in the morning, but just the paste of the grated cucumber. If you're lazy, you can use a food processor, that's fine, no problems. So garlic, cucumber, raw inside, and then it's just options. A bit of vinegar is popular. You can put a bit of dill, a bit of parsley, a bit of basil. Your favorite herbs are great. That's it, very simple. It's just basically a yogurt and cucumber sauce. Try it and let me know what you think. See ya!